and liftoff.
Welcome everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Alex Johnson and I'm a sales executive here at Kleos Space, and I have the pleasure of being live and in person with my colleague Vincent Furia, who is our Chief Technology Officer. We're really excited to talk to you a bit more about some of our offerings. Kleos detects and geolocates radio frequency transmissions to improve the identification of hidden and illicit activity. Through those radio frequency signals, we are delivering a data as a service. And what I think we're really excited about is it's going to be very accessible for our smallest of commercial customers all the way up to our largest of government customers, really making it simple to use, easy to deliver subscription model where it is cost effective and works really well in fusion with other data sources. Vinny, when we talk about radio frequency collection, this is a bit different than some of the land-based or terrestrial methods that exist. Why space and why low Earth orbit?
Yeah, that's a great question, Alex. Space has a lot of advantages for us. The biggest one being we get global coverage. Terrestrial solutions to geolocating these signals are very expensive. It's hard to deploy, and there's a lot of places on the Earth that are just impossible to cover in any sort of cost-effective means. So by operating in low Earth orbit, we have a lot of advantages. We're able to transit the entire planet and cover areas that would otherwise be impossible to get this intelligence from. Think of open ocean or over deserts or in the middle of nowhere, really. So by using these satellites in low Earth orbit, we're able to get that global coverage and also frequently revisit every area of the world.
Definitely. And you're talking about using clusters of satellites. We have those clusters in 4 satellites. Can you talk to me a bit more about why we're using that? What are the benefits, some of the decisions behind that?
Having 4 satellites in each cluster gives us the ability to geolocate these signals with more accuracy than would otherwise be possible. We fly these clusters in a rectangular formation, which provides the ability to detect signals at slightly different timings, which allows us to very precisely locate where these sources are on the Earth.
I know in speaking with our customers, we're really excited to be as responsive and agile as possible to respond to those market demands, to be able to iterate again and really meet those, opposed to before where it used to be quite burdensome, honestly, and a bit more expensive.
The drop in cost of access to space combined with the miniaturization of technology has given us the ability to create and build fairly small satellites. And these small satellites, they're quick to build and quick to deploy. I mean, that we can change missions very quickly. We can iterate on every single deployment. So 6 months from now, the satellites we launch are going to be twice as capable as the ones we launch today.
And when you talk about that, I mean, it sounds like it's incredibly complex, but really, we talk about data as a service. We want to make it as accessible, cost-effective for our customers and really improve on their current GeoWint capabilities. You know, we start talking about some of these use cases, whether it be illegal fishing, border security, or any kinds of maritime or land-based illicit and hidden activity. You know, can we talk about a bit more how we're getting that data to our customers?
Yeah, definitely. We're leveraging commercial technology to do this, using as simple as needing an internet access in order to get all the data down that your analysts could use to process the data and make good use of it. And one last thing, we're very excited about our Polar Vigilance mission that just launched. This mission gets us another cluster of satellites in space, newer and better technology, and we're really excited to see how these perform coming out of our checkout and commissioning phase. Alex, I think we're just about out of time, so thank you so much for joining us for this short talk, and if you would like to see more information, please check us out on the website at kleos.space.